Hey everyone, today we are making 4 amazing overnight oats recipes that are perfect for weight loss. They're tasty, filling, and loaded with balanced nutrition to kickstart your morning in the best way. In our family, we believe weight loss comes from 2 key things: diet and exercise. Because what you eat makes the biggest difference. Think about it. Just 1 tablespoon of butter can add over 100 calories to your day. Start by fueling your body right. That's exactly what these overnight oats are designed to do. Alright, I have 4 mason jars lined up, ready to build our overnight oats base. In each jar, I'm adding rolled oats, a little chia, plant protein powder, monk fruit for sweetness. And here's something really important: even natural sugars like the ones in fruit, maple syrup, agave, or honey can sneak in a lot of calories. That's why I'm using Monkfruit Sweetener in these jars. Monk fruit is 0 calories, 0 sugar, and won't spike your blood sugar, so you still get that sweet flavor without compromising your weight loss progress. Sweeten as per your choice. Unsweetened almond milk, non-fat Greek yogurt, I'm also adding in some vanilla essence, that's our power-packed base, giving you protein, fiber, and healthy carbs. Everything you need for a satisfying, nutritious breakfast. Now that our base is ready, I'm placing all the 4 jars in the fridge to soak overnight. They'll turn creamy, thick, and perfect by morning. It's the next morning and our oats are beautifully soaked. Now it's time to add our delicious toppings for each flavor. First up, raspberry peanut butter. Sweet berries and just a teaspoon of peanut butter for that creamy, rich flavor. Enhance this with a dash of cinnamon. This jar has 436 calories with a whopping 41 grams of protein. That's 38% of your daily target, super filling and great for keeping cravings in check. You also get healthy fats from the peanut butter and only 25.6 grams of net carbs, making this a really balanced, high-protein meal to kickstart your day. Next, carrot cake. Grated carrot, cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla for those cozy, comforting flavors. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy recipes, and share this with a friend who's working on their health goals. This one's for all the carrot cake lovers, but with a healthy twist. This carrot cake overnight oats jar gives you 401 calories and a strong 39.1 grams of protein. That's 39% of your daily need. Net carbs are just 25 grams and fats are kept at 11 grams, making this recipe macro-balanced, filling, and weight loss friendly. Third, lemon poppy seed. Lemon zest, juice, poppy seeds, and vanilla. So fresh and energizing. Let's talk about this bright and zesty lemon poppy seed jar. It's just 372 calories and gives you 38.7 grams of protein. That's 42% of your daily target, packed into a light, refreshing breakfast. Net carbs are only 20 grams and fats are nicely balanced at 11 grams. It's a great choice when you want something low calorie, high protein, and super satisfying, perfect for weight loss done right. And finally, orange creamsicle. A bit of orange zest, a splash of orange juice for that citrusy, dessert-like flavor that's still super clean. This one clocks in at just 371 calories with a powerful 38.6 grams of protein. That's again 42% of your daily protein needs, all in one easy breakfast. You're also getting just over 20 grams of carbs and 11 grams of fat, keeping things balanced. It's energizing, delicious, and a top pick if you want to stay full and on track with your weight loss goals. These jars will be creamy, tasty, and ready to grab and go. They'll keep you full, satisfied, and energized all morning with no guilt. If you try these recipes, drop a comment below and tell me which flavor would you love to eat for breakfast every day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who's looking for healthy, high-protein breakfast ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy can be simple and delicious.